In a small school nestled in Willow Creek, two curious friends, Max and Lily, loved exploring their school after class. One rainy afternoon, while waiting for their parents, they wandered into an empty classroom and noticed something peculiar about the chalkboard. Usually filled with math problems or spelling words, the chalkboard was blank. But when Max picked up a piece of chalk to draw a doodle, something astonishing happened. The chalk slipped from his grasp and started writing on its own. Did you see that? Max gasped, stepping back in surprise. Lily's eyes widened. It's like it has a mind of its own. Curious, Lily leaned in closer and whispered, "Who are you?" To their amazement, the chalkboard replied, "I am the keeper of knowledge. I answer questions for those who seek the truth." The words glowed briefly before fading away. Max and Lily stared at each other, filled with excitement and a touch of fear. They had a million questions. Max was the first to speak up. "What's the answer to tomorrow's math test?" But instead of giving him the answer, the chalkboard wrote, "Knowledge must be earned, not given." Lily, always thoughtful, decided to ask a different kind of question. "How can we become better students?" The chalkboard paused before replying, "Curiosity and kindness are the keys to true learning." Intrigued, they asked question after question. Each answer was wise, thoughtful, and sometimes mysterious. Max asked how to solve a tricky science problem, and the chalkboard offered a clue instead of a solution. Lily asked how to help her friend who was struggling in class, and the board advised, "Be patient and lend a helping hand." As the sun began to set, they heard the faint sound of footsteps. Realizing their parents were there to pick them up, they thanked the chalkboard. Before they left, the chalkboard left them with a final message. Remember, learning is a journey. Keep asking questions, and you'll find the answers in time. The next day, Max and Lily felt more inspired than ever. They studied harder, helped their classmates, and asked thoughtful questions in class. The mysterious chalkboard had shown them that learning was about more than just getting answers. It was about understanding, growing, and helping others. Moral of the story: true learning comes from curiosity, patience, and the desire to grow. Sometimes, the journey to find answers is as important as the answers themselves.